We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are, FMU Online Stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. continuing to fight to hold support here above the 45-cent area and taking off in the second half of the day. It wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 11:25 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are, FMU Online Stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., continuing to fight to hold support. And in today's video, we're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow and what's going on with the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 7:10 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 400% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are at FMU Online Stock doing a full transition from the red bars all the way back up to bright green bars and testing key resistance levels here based off the history of the chart going back to Monday. And we need to talk about the key levels I would watch in today's video. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with FMU Online Stock under a bull indicator, canceling out the bear indicator from back here on Monday at the 45-cent area, and now going ahead and popping up here at around the 45-cent area as well, canceling it out. And now we're back under a bull indicator on the 30-minute and starting to form a staircase effect here, if possible, going into tomorrow. But it rejected not that far off of the same area rejected back on Monday, which is the 48-cent resistance, right? We've talked about it. It slightly broke through it in today's volatility and came back down. And we've stated how important it is to break through that, to try to find support there for the bulls, to then push up towards the next resistance up here. I would just round it up instead of 49.77 to the 50-cent area and so forth, right? So these are key levels to not ignore. But now the bulls are back under a bull indicator on the 30-minute, and on the 1 hour, we could see here popping up as well. Full transition from the dip area at 44 cents, 45-cent area, back up here to 48 cents and hitting bright green bars, followed by a bull indicator in the bigger picture and in the volatility of the 15-minute a bull indicator popped up, canceling out the bear indicator from today's volatility at the 45.30 area, popping up here at 45 cents and hitting highs here so far of 48.19 up towards 48.25 to be exact, right? So that 48-cent level. Now it's fighting to stay above 45 cents here, and 46 cents sitting at the 47-cent area, and it's going to be crucial and critical for no bear indicator to pop up, and also the inflows, right, versus outflows to stay strong, which we're going to zoom in and look at here on the 15-minute and 30-minute in just a moment as I pull up the inflow versus outflows. So as we saw, MULLEN stock is under a bull indicator on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and 1 hour, and inflows are now back above since Monday, right? Once it crossed over in the second half of the day, inflows are back above the midpoint and dominating and slightly higher than the recent inflows that we've seen at 0.02. It is sitting at 0.0223, right? The most recent high was 0.0216, and we want to see this push up even further up to the upside to continue this possible staircase effect and continue retesting key resistance levels, holding those bull indicators true, and rolling over the strength of these inflows on the 15-minute into the 30-minute chart. As we see it, the inflows are above, but it's still right there red near the midpoint at the 0.08 area. We want to see these inflows turn from red to green, as we saw here, when things moved up, for example, at this point from $1.11 all the way up to $1.50, and the most recent one from 44 cents all the way up to 90 cents, and so forth, right? So we want these inflows to follow that momentum to further justify the strength that we're seeing so far in these charts, right? Popping up from the 44-cent area all the way up to 48 cents and possibly continuing to retest key resistance levels as those inflows and bull indicators continue to hold true. Another thing too is the 1 hour, yes, it's green, but it is below the midpoint, and I would like to see it start to head towards it or try to cross it to further justify this move and retesting any resistance levels as we see it, right? So far, 48 cents is the highest that we've gone in this move so far, and with these inflows crossing over on the 15-minute, and the first key level I would watch is the support, and the first support level is the 45.50 area. If that goes ahead and gets broken through the 45.50 cent area, the next support I'll be watching is 43 cents, and then below that, if these outflows head towards the midpoint or cross it and turn from green to red, well then I'll be watching the 40-cent area to 38-cent area. Now to the upside, if these inflows continue to push up higher and also roll that strength over into the 30-minute charts, continue the staircase effect and retesting key resistance levels, well, the first resistance is the 48-cent area. If that gets broken through and it's used as support, the next area I'll be watching is the 50-cent area. And if that gets broken through and these inflows turn from red to green and start to push up higher to the upside away from the midpoint, well then the next resistance I'll be watching is up here at the 55-cent area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and the 1 hour. We're under bull indicators. Inflows are back above here on the 15-minute. And I'll be watching if that can continue to push up higher and roll that over here into the 30-minute and 1 hour as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.